Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix failed to create GitHub repository error in Google AI Studio. If you're seeing this error when trying to export or create a project-backed repo from Google AI Studio, the most common cause is a stale or partially configured GitHub connection. We'll fix that by removing the existing GitHub app installation and revoking its authorization so you can reconnect cleanly later. Start by opening GitHub in your browser and going to your account settings. In the settings sidebar, find the Applications section. This is where GitHub groups both OAuth app authorizations and installed GitHub apps. First, we'll focus on the installed apps. Open the installed GitHub apps view and look for the entry associated with Google AI Studio. If you have many apps, scroll until you see it. Select it to open its details, then choose Configure. The configuration page shows what repositories the app can access and the permissions it was granted. If these are out of date or tied to repos you no longer use, it can block new repository creation. On this configuration page, choose Uninstall. Confirm the uninstall when prompted. This removes the app installation from your GitHub account or organization, which clears any mismatched permissions or scopes that can trigger the error. Uninstalling here does not delete any existing repositories, it only disconnects the app. Next, return to the Applications area in Settings and switch to Authorized GitHub Apps. This list covers OAuth-style authorizations you've granted. Find the Google AI Studio authorization entry, open it and select Revoke. Revoking ensures any cached tokens or old consent records are cleared. This step complements the uninstall you just did, giving you a clean slate. That's all you need to do on GitHub. By uninstalling the GitHub app and revoking its authorization, you eliminate the most common conflicts that prevent Google AI Studio from creating a repository on your behalf. The next time you try to connect or create a repo from Google AI Studio, you'll be prompted to authorize and install again. When that happens, review the requested permissions carefully and make sure the app has access to the repositories where you want it to create new projects. If you work within an organization, you might need admin approval for the installation to proceed, so plan for that if you see a request pending. And if you use repository restrictions, confirm the app is allowed to create repositories where needed. With these cleanup steps complete, the error should be resolved, and you can proceed confidently with your project in Google AI Studio.